Good morning, Kai. Kai's going to be 2 at the end of July.
2 years old. Let's go upstairs and wake Shayla up. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go wake Shayla up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go wake Shayla up. Where's the boy? Come on. Come on, Kiko. Come on, Kai. There he is. We come in? Come on, Kai. Let's help Shayla get dressed. Come on. Come on. Yeah, let's get her socks for her, shall we? You get some socks? Hey, grab a pair of socks for her, will you? All right. Well, wait. Where you going? Where'd you go?